In this quick how-to, I'm going to add LiveData to a ViewModel and show its value in the UI. First, make sure you're using these 3 dependencies and that your target JVM is 1.8. Now let's create a ViewModel. It's just a new Kotlin class that extends ViewModel. Here, we're going to add a public mutable LiveData and expose a value. Now let's read this value from the activity. First, we get a reference to the ViewModel. We use ViewModel provider to get an instance, scope to the activity's lifecycle with class main ViewModel. Now we observe the LiveData in the ViewModel. We scope this to the activity's lifecycle as well, and we set the value of a text view when we receive a new item. Instead of find view by ID, you should probably use view binding or data binding, but that's for another screencast. Let's start the activity and see that everything works as expected. Great. Now, why are we using LiveData? We could simply expose a string from the ViewModel. Well, let's add a click listener to the text view to explain this. When the text view is clicked, we'll tell the ViewModel about it. We create a new method in the ViewModel where we change the value of the mutable LiveData. This is the key part of the observer pattern. We don't have to tell the view that there's a new value. It's already observing LiveData for changes. If we run the app and we click on the text view, the UI is refreshed automatically. This idea is the basis of reactive UIs. By the way, exposing a mutable LiveData is potentially dangerous, so use a backing property and only expose an immutable class. For more information about LiveData, check out the official documentation.